Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, we will talk to you about how you can easily block your YouTube channel. Please don't forget, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. And let us get started. If there is some content on YouTube that you don't like or don't accept, and you don't want this content to be seen, you can simply block this channel so that you won't see it in the future. To do this, you will need to open the YouTube app. Then when you're flipping through, let's say, and you see a channel like this or content like this, just go to that channel. Now you'll need to click on the three dots on the top right. And then select Hide this channel and confirm your action. Thus, you have now blocked and hidden any videos that may be on this channel, and they will not appear to you, for example, in recommendations or anywhere else. This is a quick and easy method. Dear friends, you can block any channel on YouTube. I really hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please put your likes and see you soon.